Hello, welcome to 𝗦𝘄𝗥𝗙𝗢𝗥, where we listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. If you like what you see today, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a single video, and definitely leave me some comments down below. If you like what you see, it would really help out the channel if you could watch the video all the way to the end. We are back with Lovebites. I got a ton of requests, pretty much from the entire wolf pack. So obviously great fans, very supportive of their band, which is awesome. And they suggested Holy War. They gave me a whole bunch of different videos, so I got the one with the lyrics. And I'm excited to see what they got. This would be the second time ever seeing Lovebites, but they did awesome the first video, and I am looking forward to see what we got here. Let it roll. Lovebites, Holy War.
This is your song.
This is the song, all right. Got the speed metal down. I love the drummer. She's so little. Very powerful though. There's my girl, the bassist. We're going to stop bringing back copyright reasons, but man, they are just kicking ass right now. I love how well the two guitarists complement each other and can go back and forth seamlessly. Without it, it's almost like one person is playing. They are so good going back and forth together. The singer with her high pitch, she's, the music is played at a fairly high pitch, but she's able to go above and below it, so it really stands out. Really awesome. I was told she has an R&B background. You can really hear it here. They also seem to have a little bit of that 1970s kind of speed punk, like the New York punk scene. That kind of influence there. I think I can get a little bit. They're doing awesome. This is freaking amazing. Go. The drummer's awesome. Epic song. Catch your breath, girl. I have the feeling the guitars are about to take off. Awesome. Without missing a beat. That's a good image right there. Hit the big note again. The same verse. Gotta get the outro in.
Thank you so much. See you next time. Good luck.
Nice. And of course, they get the much-deserved standing ovation. And that was pretty awesome. You know, you can really hear different influence. You can hear that kind of speed metal influence, but especially through the bass line, you can get that feel of 1970s kind of speed punk in there as well, which is pretty cool. And the drummer to me stood out in this uh, because the drummer sets the pace, and that fast pace, man, that pace that she was keeping was unreal. So uh, I'm hooked. I'm hooked. I am applying to be a member of the Wolf Pack. So somebody give me the thumbs up so I can join. That was freaking awesome. Absolutely awesome. Lovebites, Holy War, 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Just freaking fantastic. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. Leave a comment, like if it's okay if I join the Wolf Pack. Subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This is Coach Michael 101, where we listen to music, amazing music, live amazing music. Check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. I'll see you next video.